again. I'm Lynn Lewis. I'm the Family Preservation Specialist at Acoma Social Services. Today, I'm going to be demonstrating how to make our traditional blue corn mama dolls, also known as Ts'u. And so I have my family here with me. For a while, I had assisted at the food pantry, and so we were giving out some of this food, and I'd like to demonstrate how to use some of the products that we received. We did receive blue cornmeal in 2 types. We also received some flour, and we will be using sugar, and we will be using corn husks, dry corn husks. Okay, so we're going to use 3 cups of blue cornmeal. I already added 2 cups. 1 more cup makes 3 cups. Next, we're using the regular flour, and we used 1 cup. So I already add half a cup, and another half makes 1 cup. Okay. Now we're going to use a cup of sugar. So I already used a half a cup. Okay. That's probably good enough. Okay, so sugar. This is gonna be a sweet type of snack. So next, I boiled 4 cups of water, and I already added 3 cups of hot boiling water. Okay, so I already added 3, so she's gonna add the last one. Okay. So she's gonna stir it up. Be very careful because it's hot. And the heat is what will cook the blue cornmeal. Okay, so this is how the mixture will look. It's really hot, so we're gonna let this set till it cools down. We're gonna put it aside. And we have corn husks, which we put in water because right now they're like crispy and hard. So we're soaking them so they become soft. And this is what we're gonna use to make the mama dolls. So we're gonna let that mixture cool down and let these get wet, and we'll start making the mama doll shortly. So the corn husks are ready, and they're flimsy and ready to stretch out. So we're going to dry them, pat them dry. And then with some of them, we're gonna make ties because we're gonna use these to tie the corn husks. So we're tear it apart. And then we're going to dry some of these. So I'm gonna demonstrate how to make a mama dao because these girls are learning how to make one. Go ahead and start drying those while. So this is about how much you're gonna get, about 1 spoon. And you're gonna put it inside the corn husk. Okay, hold on. See? Like that. Then you're gonna fold this in and fold like this, like a tamale. Then we're going to roll it up. And that's when you're going to use these ties. You're going to tie the bottom first.
That's easy.
And then you can put this down like that. And then you're going to twist it around. That's the top, like the top of the mama down.
Where's the mama down?
I'll show you. And then we're gonna use one more in the middle. See?
That's easy.
Does it look like a doll?
Yeah. Looks like a doll.
Okay, then you're gonna tie it.
That's easy.
Okay, so when they're done, this is how they look. See? Show them up. Yep. And then we're gonna let the girls make some. So this is our end product here, the mama daos. As you can see, they're different sizes. Some are small that Tylea made, and some are big that Tylea made. And so what you can tell when they're done, because they'll come out dark blue and they kind of expand. And so they're ready to try their end product. You can say Ts'u Dzishi. Now you can try it. So you can say pick it up with your hand. Okay, pick it up. How does it taste?
I'm gonna do this.
It's good? Okay. Thank you for watching our video. And I know we're a little bit nervous, but I hope you enjoyed our video. Thank you.